Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Care and Body, the place for everything you need to holistically care for your body inside and out, from recipes to ebooks to personal care products and tutorials on personal care products. If that's the type of stuff you like watching or you're interested in learning about, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video so that this could get to more people can learn and heal themselves. So today I'm gonna keep it real straight, real sweet, quick, straight to the point. I'm going to be showing y'all how I make my natural deodorant oil. I did a short on this. If you prefer a shorter version, you can just scroll through our page. But I'm out, so I'm just going to show y'all how I make my natural deodorant oil real quick. Please excuse my table. I'm in the process of restocking my website. My brand, Baby Beauty by Bree, is an amazing resource for those who are on their wellness journey, looking to transition to more clean, non-toxic personal care products, and overall just looking for natural ways to learn how to take care of yourself, from the way that you eat, to learning how to eat for your acne and your skin health, to actual products for skin health. A great resource for holistic healing for your body inside and out. So make sure you check out our website, browse around, grab a couple things if you want, but we will officially be restocking on October 6th. If you are somebody who feels like natural deodorant does not work, or you tried natural deodorant and it did not work, make sure that you watch. I'll put both the videos in the description box. I made a short talking about why natural deodorant doesn't work, and I also made a video talking about how and why you should armpit detox. So make sure you watch those first, because if you have tried natural deodorant before, or you haven't and you want to, it's very important that you learn why and how to detox your armpit, so that you don't end up in a situation where you walk around smelling like some onions or feeling like natural deodorant doesn't work. Because it does work. If it don't work, it's your body that needs some help with that transition. So make sure you watch those videos first. I'm gonna put both of them in the description box. And yeah, so let me just get straight to it. So these are all the materials you're gonna need. I'm gonna link everything in the description box. I got them all from Amazon. So this is the key ingredient right here, magnesium oil. Honestly, if you want to just use this, you can. But I found that adding these other ingredients gives more odor protection and it lasts longer than just the oil on its own, because I did try this too. It could have just been me being paranoid, but you know, as a woman, I can't even risk being musty. So I added some extra stuff. But magnesium oil, you're gonna need some vegetable glycerin. You're gonna need some witch hazel with alcohol in it. You're gonna need some jojoba oil, and you're gonna need some essential oils of choice. There are certain ones that work best for like antibacterial purposes, which would be something like this, just to name a few. And the ones that I'm using, lavender and tea tree oil, those are amazing to start with. Also lemongrass, clove, any antibacterial essential oil. Basically, you're just going to be combining different quantities of these things into this one bottle. I'm going to put all the measurements in the description box as well. But yeah, I'm going to start off with, I need to wash my tablespoon. So I'm going to use 3 teaspoons to make up for that tablespoon. And this recipe, if you're using a 2-ounce dropper bottle like I am, you're probably going to need to double it, because the bottle I made this recipe with is smaller than what I currently use. So a funnel will also be useful. I have one, I just am not using it for whatever reason, and I'm probably going to regret that, but you know, hey, here we are. Okay, so I went ahead and already doubled it just for myself, for real, so that I don't have to go and do everything again. So I put a total of 2 tablespoons of magnesium oil in my bottle. Next, I'm going to add the jojoba oil, which you're going to do, if you have a 2-ounce bottle, it's going to be 4 teaspoons, which is a tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. Okay, so I added my 4 teaspoons / 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. And just to give a brief summary, this is glycerin, right? Yes. A brief summary, all of these ingredients are antibacterial and or antifungal. So They help to kill any bacteria that can interact with your sweat and cause odor, because the bacteria underneath your arm is actually what causes odor and not the sweat itself, unless you have a gross diet and you're using gross products on your body. So these are antibacterial, antifungal ingredients that help to neutralize odor and, again, get rid of those bad bugs that could interact with your sweat and cause odor. But of course, a good diet and healthy lifestyle, regular detoxification, including armpit detoxes, especially if you're new to this, are going to also help with your body odor. The vegetable glycerin is really just to help make everything glide on your arm smoother though. So there's my 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. And then I'm going to add some witch hazel. And I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of that, which is also the same thing as 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon. This is where I'm at now. I technically, according to my recipe, still have to add another 2 teaspoons of witch hazel. I'm just going to squeeze it in there until it gets to the top. And then I'm going to add my essential oil so that it doesn't spill. That's it. And then I typically add like 30 to 50 drops of my essential oil. So I don't like to smell tea tree oil. The only reason I'm using it is because I ran out of lemongrass. But I'm going to use about probably like 15 drops of tea tree oil, and then maybe like 20 drops of lavender. Alrighty, so I ended up adding a total of 45 drops. I did 30 drops of lavender and 15 drops of tea tree oil. And if I put this in, it's going to overflow. So I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze it so we can suck some of that up. And yeah. Alrighty, and that is it. So before you use it, you're just going to shake it up real well. And like I said, I just, like the same as if you was applying a body oil or a hair oil, just squeeze some up and I just drop it over my arm. I tend to fill up a dropper and then just use that for 1 pit, and then fill up again for another pit, and then fill it up again, and do like half on this one and then half on that one. And then I honestly take my magnesium oil, which I have a smaller bottle with essential oils in it, and I spray some of that too. You don't have to do all of that. That's just me. Like I said, I can't be out here musty. So, but yeah, it's really simple. And again, make sure if this is your first time using natural deodorant, or if you just somebody who feels like it doesn't work for you or anything, just make sure you watch the 2 videos that I talked about first. Why natural deodorant doesn't work, and then the armpit detox video. I will be making a video when I run out of my solid deodorant recipe showing y'all how I make that. It's also very simple, and I did a short on that too. If you want to go watch a shorter version of that, it's already available on our channel. Make sure you subscribe. And again, we are restocking our holistic body care website on October 6th. We will have everything handmade, non-toxic, naturally fragranced with essential oils. We have body scrubs. We're going to have non-toxic candles. That's new. Didn't nobody else even know about that yet. Y'all the first ones to know about it. We got non-toxic coconut soy wax candle blends coming for the fall. We got body butters. We got beard and hair growth oils. We got eczema and skin soothing oils. We got herbal teas to help with detoxifying from the inside to help with your skin health. We got lip balms. Everything for personal care from head to toe. Of course, we got more on the way, but I'll leave the link to our website so you can browse, take a look at the blogs and stuff like that, so you can learn more about skin health, as well as, you know, any shopping or picking out anything that you want to buy when we restock on October 6th. I'll put the link in the description box to my website, the link in the description box for all the materials that I got off of Amazon. I'll put the link to the other 2 videos I was talking about as to why natural deodorant doesn't work, and how to armpit detox. And then I also put the measurements I used in the description box. I'm gonna scale them down a little bit to make it fit for a 2-ounce bottle, because this was a tiny bit too much. Clearly it still fit, but I wanted to be as precise as possible for y'all. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like this video. And yeah, I'll see y'all soon.